Okay, friends, can you explain what we gotta do right now? I'm gonna remove this water pump. So to make an AC access right now, the vehicle is in junkyard. Like you could just tear everything apart if you want to, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna take everything apart nice and neat. So this is the water pump right there. We're just gonna try to see if we just get the tensioner, so we get the tension out of this thing. The pump, and then from there we're gonna start screwing. I don't know how many screws we have, but I believe friends gonna be finding those bolts, but probably it's gonna be removing everything. Friends, exactly. You see those clamps, this thing. So this thing, this is the same car. If your straight car doesn't have it, put it at the side, because what you want to do is want to bring that value back.
No.
AC system is not bad. Looks good. All right, nice and beautiful. Friends. Get that clamp out. Yeah.
Let me see what I did it wrong. You know the other time? Let me see. So yeah,
Clamp it right there. It's gonna clamp, boom. And once it hooks there, you can just.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay,
This thing right here, put it back. These seals are good. I like the seals. Man. So it goes forward. It's a huge water pump. Franz, do you have AC? The car? I have AC. Your car?
Which car?
The car have AC. That's another thing we gotta fix about your car. AC.
Yeah, it don't bring AC. It's always hot. They have AC, but it don't bring all good air.
I got it. Don't worry about it. We just gotta, like, for example, put the vacuum. Do a little vacuum to get all the moisture out of the system, and refill it again.
Okay.
If you do the vacuum, it's gonna be better, because that way we know if your car have any leaks or something.
Okay.
So we're gonna address that too.
Okay.
So it's a rebuild that we have on his car. So I'm gonna go on the bottom to get the solenoid. We try to rebuild it back together so we can try to sell it. You're gonna see the before and after when we finish with the Siri. So right now, that's what we're doing right now, removing the water pump. I'm gonna go on the bottom and get the solenoids for the car. Shifting solenoids. So let's see. I got my baby up right here with a 10 mil. I'm gonna jump on the bottom right now. Let me see. I'll come to my cabin. This guy is stable. It's very solid. So I don't see any risk. ¿Cómo está, caballero? I have this beautiful metal bracket top right here, protecting the tranny. So, oh, I don't have to go there. I gotta go here. That's what I'm removing. Oh crap! I'm gonna be having a bunch of oil coming off. So I need some type of residue or something. I gotta remove that. Luckily, this is like bent, so I just bend it out and take it off. So I don't know where I'm gonna put my phone so you can see the video. So I'm gonna pause the video, and then after that, probably gonna keep working on it. You'll be able to see it somewhere that you guys can see it. I don't think so though. I would have been able to see it. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna record whatever I'm doing. So I'm gonna shut the phone off. So we have bolts around the top right here. So let me just zoom out a little bit more right here. So we have 1, 2, 3. I don't know how many we have. I'm gonna remove them all. I'm gonna get the tops off, and then from there I'm gonna get off all the solenoids from it that I need for my other car, for the other car that we're building. Luckily I can just move this thing out of the way so I can keep moving. I have my awesome D-Wall. This is a 1,000 torque foot-pound. It's 99 something percent. Like if you wanna know about a little more about this guy, I'm gonna be talking about him in another video. So I already tested it. It's like 1,000 foot-pound, but it doesn't go. You have to leave it on at least like for 15 to 30 seconds to get remove that 1,000 bolt. But it does the job. I like it for all type of jobs that I do. It's a beautiful gun, so I'm gonna proceed with the video. So I have a I believe it's a 12 mil. Friends, you could do me a beautiful solid, a favor. Can you get me? No, it's fine. Just don't worry about it. Stay there. I gotta get something so I can get the oil residue, because it's gonna be a bunch of oil coming out of there. So I gotta get that shit off first. So I want to make a crazy mess out of that. So let me get a container so I can drop that oil off and see what I can find. Give me 1 second, guys. Be back.